Hey, so you want to start your own digital product business on Gumroad? Whether it's ebooks, courses, templates, or music, Gumroad makes it simple. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to set up your store and start selling. First, decide what kind of digital products you want to sell. Think about your skills, experience, and what people need. The more focused your niche, the easier it is to attract buyers. Next, create valuable and polished products. This could be ebooks, online courses, templates, music, or digital art. Make sure it's professional and useful. Go to Gumroad and sign up for an account with your email or Google account. Verify your email to unlock selling features. In your dashboard, click Add a Product. Upload your digital file. Add a clear title, description, and preview images. A professional-looking product page attracts buyers. Choose a pricing strategy. Fixed price, pay what you want, or free with optional tips. Make sure it's reasonable for your audience. Connect PayPal or a bank account in payout settings. This ensures you get paid automatically whenever someone buys your product. Share your product links on social media, blogs, email lists, and communities. Create free content or teasers to attract buyers. Consistent promotion is key. Respond to questions, feedback, and messages. Engaged creators build trust, leading to repeat sales and recommendations. Use Gumroad Analytics to track visits, sales, and conversion rates. Improve titles, descriptions, or visuals based on performance to increase sales. Add more products. Create bundles or upsells. The more high-quality products you have, the bigger your revenue potential on Gumroad. So yeah, that's how to start a digital product business on Gumroad. Find your niche, create high-quality products, set up your store, promote smartly, and engage with buyers. With consistency, your business can grow steadily.